Welcome to the complete build quality test of the latest Realme Narzo 80X 5G or the Realme P3x, which is the only device under 13K to have an official IP69 rating, not IP68. More on that in the water test video next. As our regular viewers know, BBK devices on the channel have been notorious for certain things, and we'll be checking into that soon enough inside this video. The design of the Sunlit Gold version of the Realme Narzo 80X or P3x looks surprisingly awesome, mainly due to the aesthetics or looks of the camera unit, because even though it's dual cameras, Realme has made it appear as a triple camera system over 25K. Props for the clever smartness. It seems to feel slightly soft in a usual trial bend, can't really tell. We'll come to know the truth in the actual build quality bend test, which does have something interesting. It's good to get an actual 45 watts quick charging adapter in the box, in an era where costlier phones comes in a near empty box. But they've had to remove the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really bad stuff. So how is this under 13 and sometimes during the sale under 12K phone going to perform in a total build quality test? Let's see. The front-facing selfie camera has a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor at f2.4, 85-degree field of view with 2.07 megapixel 30fps for full HD video. The main camera is a 50.33 megapixel pure cell type OmniVision OB50D sensor at f1.8 with both DIS and OIS, 75.5 degree field of view, 5 lenses, dual LED, 2.07 megapixel for video at 60 fps, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing secondary camera at f2.4, 3 camera lens with an 88.8 degree angle of view. So how is this Realme specific ArmorShell Glass going to perform against all the scratch abuse we usually throw during the scratch test? Will it survive the dreaded blade abuse or going to fail with manual scratches as in recent videos? The interesting stuff is that many of the failed past devices have been of BBK devices, mainly because of poor quality tempered glass production as compared to high quality glass from those of Corning production. Also, BBK is notorious for 0% oleophobic coating, which also usually fails the scratch test too. Will the ArmorShell face the same issues as previous unnamed and failed BBK glasses? Everything seems fine on the camera lens production after the onslaught. The ArmorShell also seems okay on initial inspection with the naked eye, but it turns out the ArmorShell glass has in fact not managed to handle the abuse and failed the scratch test with permanent marks. Next, the dreaded drop test. Will your Realme Narzo 80X or P3x be able to survive accidental drops on the floor? How drop impact resistant is it really? 4 drops to go, 2 pocket height low drops, and then followed with 2 danger high drops on the back side and the display side. We are pretty confident that the display of the Realme P3x should survive as it is LCD. Once again, a mini relief, and as expected of all devices, the Realme Narzo 80X or P3x survives both the low pocket height drop impacts. Next, the 2 danger high drops you have been waiting for. Will the body and display be able to survive both the hard drop impacts? The camera system looks fine, no damage on the display or ArmorShell glass. Total relief that the realme P3x or Narzo 80X survived all drop impacts. Next, on to fun stuff with value and the main test of build quality, the bend test, to precisely gauge the structural integrity of devices. Is the ArmorShell body and the pseudo military standard certificate any good? Quite a large bit of flex from the first display side bend. Somehow the ArmorShell seems to be taking in the bend pressure as of now. Again, a large weird flex angle towards the top end from the back bend, though no catastrophic fail or damage on the structure as yet. The large bend angle keeps happening with an obvious banana shape, yet it survives the bend test right on the edge of destruction. If the bend angle was a few percentage more, then anything or the worst could have happened.